Today we will continue exercise 13.3 surface areas and volumes, chapter number 13. So till question number 2 we already have done. Now today we will start from question number 3. Exercise 13.3. Question number 3. Now the question number 3 is a 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug out and the earth from digging is evenly spread and to form a platform 20 meter deep. It is in cylindrical shape. This is a well. Its depth is 20 meter. This is 20 meter. And diameter is 7 meter. Is dug, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form platform like this. This is a platform. 22 meter by 14 meter. 22 meter. It is length is 22 meter and 14 is breadth. We need to calculate the height of platform. Okay. The well is 20 meter high and diameter is 7 meter. Then digging out materials is used for making the platform of dimensions 22 meter, 14 meter and edge. So what will be the edge? So first, let the height of platform be h meter. Length of platform is L equals to 22 meter. Breadth of platform B equals to 14 meter. Depth of well it is represented by D equals to 20 meter. Diameter equals to 7 meter. Now we have to calculate first radius. Radius R equals to 7 by 2 meter. Now first we have to compute the volume. So volume of platform will equals to volume of well. Since volume of platform equals to volume of well. So volume of platform formula is, it is in cuboid shape, L into B into H. Now volume of well, it is in cylindrical shape, pi r square D. Instead of S we will write D. So L is 22 meter, B is 14 meter, H we have to calculate. It is 22 by 7. R is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into D is 20. It is meter cube. Now H equals to 22 into 7 into 7 into 20 divided by 7 into 2 into 2. Now 22 into 22 into 14. It is in meter. So we can got 7 here, 22 here. 7 1 7 7 to 14, 2 1 2 2 10 20, 2 1 2 2 5 10. So H equals to 5 by 2 meter equals to 2.5 meter. Now this is the answer of question number 3. Now move to question number 4. Question number 4 is a well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. It is question number 4. A well of diameter 3 meter and deep 14 meter is dug. Diameter is 3 meter. Now deep is 14 meter. The earth taken out, it has been spread evenly all around. It is in the shape of circular ring of wide 4 meter. So taken out material is spread all around the well. It makes the circular ring on the top. Circular ring on the top of wide 4 meter. The wide width of ring is 4 meter. It is 4 meter. To form an embankment, it is an embankment. Find the height of embankment. So here the comparing volume. This is the volume of cylinder and this is the volume of concentric cylinder. It is also is in the shape of cylinder. So this is the volume of cylinder and this is the volume of concentric cylinder. So first we have to mention in solution, let the height of embankment be H meter. Height of well, depth of well D equals to 14 meter. Diameter of well equals to 3 meter. Radius of well R equals to 3 by 2 meter. Now first I have to calculate the inner radius and outer radius of embankment. Now inner radius of embankment, it is R, 3 by 2 meter. So radius of well and the inner radius of embankments are same. Outer radius, width of ring equals to 4 meter. Therefore outer radius outer radius of embankment. It is capital R equals to 3 by 2 plus 4. Why 4? Because the width of ring is 4 meter. So now take LCM. It is 2. 3 plus 8 meter. This equals to 11 by 2 meter. Now here, now comparing volume of embankment equals to volume of well. Since volume of embankment equals to volume of well. So volume of embankment is, now volume of concentric circle, it is pi r square minus r square into h. It is the volume of concentric circle. So volume of embankment will be same, pi r square minus r square into h equals to volume of well is pi r square h d. Now put the values. We can cut pi here. So r square is 11 by 2 square minus 3 by 2 square. H we have to calculate. So here r is 3 by 2 square, means 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into h is 14. It is in meter. So we can convert it into a plus b, a minus b, because it is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So it is 11 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into 11 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into h equals to 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14 meter. So 11 plus 3 is 14 by 2 into, this is 8 by 2. After taking LCM, 2 is LCM. Now 11 plus 3 is 14. Again 2 is LCM. 11 minus 3 is 8. Into h equals to 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14 meter. Now h equals to, now cross multiply, 3 into 14 into 2 into 2 divided by 14 into 8. We can cut 14, 14, 2, 1, 2. Here is also 2 into 2 into 2. 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. It is in meter. So h equals to 9 by 8 meter. Now divide 8, 9. 8, 1, 8. 1 left, 0.0. 8, 1, 8. 2, 0. 8, 2, 16. 4, 0. 8, 5, 40. So h equals to 1.125 meter. Now this is the answer of question number 4. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.